Hey you guys, you've always come to me for neck tightening, neck lifts, jaw sculpting. While I know my face yoga tips definitely help, for those who are a little lazy and want a quick fix, House of Beauty India is launching our chin lift. Comes in an easy to use slide glide packaging with 85% hydrolyzed collagen. Why collagen, you ask? Because it's plumpening, tightening, fine line removing from our neck and our jaw. It comes with a peel off paper like this. Peel it off. I like to anchor in the center here with one hand and the other hand tightening it along our ears. This is a one-size-fits-all mask to all. Now you adjust it from the top and then stretch it onto your jaw and neck region like this. Pick up that phone, get chatting for 30 minutes or exercising, even better. Can be used by men and women. After 30 minutes, be careful on how you can use it. Anchor it in the center and then gently remove it from one ear and the other. This is a twice reusable mask and you can realign this, pinch it, fold it and glide it back into its packaging. Use fast, it is like a sheet mask and could dry. So, happy pampering!